Hey up guys, welcome back. I'm Liam, this is Retro Reborn, and you might have been thinking, Liam, you haven't posted a video in ages. I know, I've just been having a few busy weeks, to be fair. Well, it's been a busy month basically. Started uni, back up at uni again, so that's been taking up a lot of my time. And then on top of that, my Mk2 Golf, my daily car, failed its MOT, had a load of rust that I needed sorting, and then also the linkage for the anti-roll bar snapped, and then tires, and then brake pads. So yeah, I had to sort all that out, but it's back on the road now. And then guess what, started driving it and the clutch started slipping. So another job added to the many list of stuff that I need to do on both my cars now, which is just, you know, fantastic. What a beautiful way to spend every pay slip, cash it all out of my cars. But yeah, we're working on the Mk2 again today, and I've got a big surprise for all of you. So we did do something I wasn't going to show you yet. I was going to wait until we did it next, but I thought it's been done and I needed to post a video, so I'll show you guys what I've been up to, and then we do have a few little jobs that I need doing as well. So let's have a look. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you sure? Engine mounted in to the Mk2 Golf. We got it done like a couple weeks ago. I wasn't planning on filming, I was putting it in because we're taking it back out when the wiring loom comes, because we want to get the wiring loom attached to the engine before putting it in, so we're not having to so we can get all the plugs and everything attached properly. But yep, it's all mounted in and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Obviously it's sitting absolutely beautifully. It looks perfect. It seems like it doesn't look out of place. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't look at it and go, that looks like it shouldn't be in there. It actually looks like it was designed to fit in the Mk2 Golf engine bay, which I think is just pretty amazing. So yeah, we got it all mounted up, and yesterday me and my dad started putting the fuel lines in. So we've got the return here, and then this is the so this is the return, that's the flow. So yeah, we started doing that yesterday. So I need to, underneath the car, they need like tightening in properly, and then today's job is to put the coolant mount. So we're going to weld a mount for the coolant bottle, because obviously we're using the one from the Audi TT. So I'm going to shave away the area around here so we can fit the brackets, and then we're going to weld them on. Well, I say my dad's going to show me how to weld. I've never welded anything in my life, so it should be interesting. I mean, it's probably going to look like bird poo, but I don't know. I feel like welding is going to be fun. Always wanted to weld something, so you know, you got to start somewhere. But yeah, I've never welded anything, and my dad's going to show me how to do it because it's something that I do really want to learn how to do. So yeah, that should be a fun little clip. The other day I did, when putting in the engine, we did put the O2A gearbox on, and obviously we fitted the dark side clutch and flywheel. I did record some of that, but I'm going to be honest, the camera angle I got was absolutely ass, and you could literally only see the back of me. So I'll salvage what I can from that footage to show you, but this might not be the best footage. But yeah, I'll try and put that in now so you can see what we were doing then, and then we can jump into starting this coolant bowl, and then I might show you what we're doing for the fuel lines as well. Firstly, I took a trip yesterday to Stoke to go see the people at Bagtronics and to drop off the wiring loom and ECU, so they're working on that as we speak. So hopefully that can get done pretty soon. And then we have got the main part that we're doing today, which is clutch and flywheel. So we're going to be installing that and the new gearbox, because obviously we're using the O2A gearbox because it's supposed to be slightly smaller and fits better in the Mk2. And the clutch and flywheel that we have gone for, one from dark side. So because it's dark side, it is a little bit spenny, you know. I think this was about 500 quid, but you know, when you're buying with dark side, you're getting dark side prices, but also dark side quality. And I know that this should be handle the power fine. And I'm thinking about doing some track days with this car, so that should be pretty good for that. We've gone with the, I believe it's a 7 kg kit. I'll link it down below if any of you want to have a look at it. But yeah, so let's jump straight into it. So guys, this is the gearbox we'll be using. It's the O2A1. It's a bit worse for wear, like looks wise, but I did clean it with degreaser, so it looks a lot better than it did when I bought it. And once the engine's all fitted and running, we're re-stripping the entire engine and we'll strip the entire car, and that's when we're going to look at painting and making everything look nice. So when we strip the engine out again, I'll pull the gearbox off and well, I'll do the whole engine essentially. Get some parts powder coated, some parts I'll clean with wire wheels and paint myself, like the inlet manifolds and the valve cover or rocker cover, whatever you want to call it. Some of the steel boost pipes are along with the strut bar. I want to get them all powder coated the same colour and like have a bit of an interesting looking engine bay. The colour that I'm going to powder coat it, I'm not too sure on yet. I was thinking of like a bronze. I thought deep brown bronze might go nice with the red, but if any of you guys have any suggestions, you know, make sure to comment it down below. But yeah, so at the moment everything looks kind of bad, but that's not a main concern. We'll be making everything look a lot better soon, hopefully. So yeah, let's get this gearbox fitted, let's get the wiring loom when it comes, let's get all that fitted, and let's get it into the car, and hopefully we'll have it running pretty soon. So guys, like I said, I'm going to have my first go welding today. I'm going to have a quick go practicing on a bit of scrap metal first, and then we will weld the brackets on. So let's see how it goes. So here was my first attempt. So obviously you can see the gaps are a bit too big. And then second time, obviously looking a lot better. And then see how it's penetrated on the back. So guys, as you can see, got it all welded on. I did this one, which was the easiest one to do, and I think first time I've welded something, not that bad. I started on this side, as you can see, I just started absolutely messing it up. So my dad finished this corner off, and the same thing happened here. It's just a bit of an awkward position, and I mean, first time ever welding, so, but it don't need to look too pretty. It still needs sealing, cleaning up a bit, and then painting. But we can now fit the coolant bottle on. So obviously, then the coolant pipes we've just got them tucked away for now. But yeah, so it's all mounted over with the original Audi TT coolant bottle. So guys, another day, another little job, just a small one today. We don't actually have many jobs to do until the new parts come in, so just a little job today. But basically we will, obviously if you remember from a few weeks ago, we fitted the pedal box back in with the hydraulic clutch pedal. So that's all now mounted in and filled with fluid, and that's all working. So we've got the clutch pedal working, but we are fitting the accelerator pedal. So in the TT we had to so this is actually the pedal from the TT, and obviously we've got all the wiring for it, which we pulled out the TT as well. And I did, in a video, there was a clip of me showing you the mount that we have for it, and obviously the mount's fitted all into the pedal box now. We just need to actually mount on the pedal. So yeah, let's show you. Obviously, as you can see, we've got the clutch pedal. It's all working. We've just zip tied the brake pedal out of the way for now. But to mount it, I don't know if this is the same on the, because this is a CE1 fuse box, not a CE2. So I don't know if this is the same on CE2s, but we've had to cut a notch out of it in order to get enough clearance, because you could just about get it in, but you don't really want something like a pedal to be rubbing on anything. So yeah, we've got the mount here. Just gonna bolt it all in and I'll show you guys after. So guys, all mounted in. Got the working clutch pedal, we have a brake and we have an accelerator as well. So looking pretty good. The accelerator just obviously mounts in with these bolts here. However, there's one, this top corner here, you can see I couldn't get my finger behind it to put on the nut, so I did just have to take this whole bracket out again, and I just put it on when it's out and then remounted the bracket in with the pedal on it. But got all three pedals again.